All right, it is best reviews time. Scott Moak here. Andrea Boudewijn there. Look, baking expert. Love having you in, especially when the holidays hit.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely.
It's so awesome to be here. I have some great fall baking tips for you today.
I'm ready, and I see pie. Look, not everybody loves the pie.
I know.
I love the pie.
I'm a pie person.
And you zhuzh things all the time.
Yeah.
You're talking about how are we zhuzhing our pie?
Well, we're going to make it really simple with a little extra decoration. We're going to cut out, buy like a pie crust, a rolled out pie crust,
Okay.
right? Use some leaf cutters. You can buy these on BestReviews.com. We've reviewed lots of different kinds that are great, all different sizes.
Okay.
And just lay them on the edge.
Oh, that's just a little
It'll be a little
decoration around
something. Yeah.
That's too
Fill
good.
it with your pumpkin filling. There's all different kinds. That's a maple leaf. We've got like a nice little oak leaf here we can put on there too. And you can get smaller ones and larger ones and just make it really pretty.
How great is that? And again,
I love
just
it.
Opportunity to dress up the pie a little bit, save you a little time, and make it look good.
Exactly.
That's what you guys do at Best Reviews.
Yeah.
All right, I see the bundt cake now.
Yes.
Bundt and holiday, it's like synonyms there.
It is.
But not everybody's got the big fancy bundt.
No, and it's a little tough to store sometimes. They're
sure.
beautiful and lovely. This is also called a tube pan because it has this tube in the middle. It helps it bake in the center, but apple spice cakes are big around the holidays,
sure.
right? Lots of people like to do it like this.
Yeah.
If you don't want to buy a bundt pan, you can fake a tube pan.
Okay, so I'm very interested in this.
Okay.
Tell me how I'm faking it.
So I have an 8-inch cake pan here that a lot of people have in their kitchen, right?
Yeah.
If you can find one of these tall, thin soda water cans, you just open it up so it doesn't explode. Okay, you'll bear with me here.
Okay.
Dump out a little bit of the water so it doesn't boil over. Set it in the middle of your pan and pour your batter around it. Voila, you have a tube pan. Done.
Wait, that's the sound of my mind exploding. So I'm now putting the cake mix around the can
Yes.
with the fluid inside of it.
With the fluid inside, because if this is empty, it will float when you put the batter in. So you need it weighted down, okay? Put the whole thing, including the can, in the oven. Do not be afraid.
This is why I need best reviews in my life. I'm telling you right now.
We're here to simplify your
love it.
life.
All right, I see you got some muffins. I've seen you got some cornbread.
Yes.
Also holiday staples, and you have a way to elevate them a little bit.
Well, yeah, because a lot of times people make a cornbread for the side at Thanksgiving, right? They make this for breakfast the next morning. You can add a little, spice in this. Put some ancho chili in if you want to take it a southwest direction,
Nice.
something like that. In your blueberry muffins, a lot of people will, zest lemon in there to zhuzh it up a little bit. Try an herb like thyme or maybe some rosemary or something from your neighbor's garden.
Go the savory route.
Yeah, exactly. Put on your best black clothes, hop the fence and get get the herbs out of your neighbor's garden
You're
and
sweet,
dress up
I'm
your
savory,
muffins.
and that was Best Reviews. People want a little more information. What do they do?
BestReviews.com. We're here to simplify your shopping decisions.
Love it.